You have to walk, you
Yeah.
have to act now. If you're not doing something for your health, आपकी health आपका support नहीं करेगी. If you want your 40s, start acting in your 30s. You have to do boring things in your life. When your mind is start giving up, you have plan B in your mind, back of the mind.
Yeah.
So you start giving up, right? Athletes को और कुछ specific sports ऐसे रह गए हैं जिनको बहुत highlight रखा जाता है और बाकी जो sports हैं उनकी वजह से कुछ पीछे रह गए हैं.
Hi, welcome back to OG with NG. I am with the OG Amit Kadian, who was one of the first two athletes to represent India in a global championship in Spartan. So, Amit, the first question: what inspired you to become the OG in Spartan?
See, so from the beginning only, I always outdoor and adventure person. I don't doing any activities like indoor, right? So from the childhood, I always go to the field with my grandfather and do natural stuffs, lifting heavy weights and just swimming in the canal and running on the fields, right?
Yeah.
So somehow that thing inside me already in my childhood, right? So after trying running events, after doing Ironman, the toughest endurance event you can say, right?
You completed that?
Yes, 4
Wow.
times. Right?
Amazing.
So after that, I just looked something different, challenging one.
Right.
So there is a local race in Delhi NCR only. So I tried my best in that. So I was in the top 3 that time, and somehow I just get a pull like this is my kind of thing. Okay. And
It reminded you of your childhood.
yes, of course. And this is not like this is natural things, right? These obstacles are very natural.
Yeah.
And you no need to put some extra training, right? So outdoor thing. This is the most important thing. Is it's outdoor, right?
Right.
And it's not only running. It's running. It's strength. It's speed. It's agility, and your everything you need, right? So it's not only one game like running. You just keep running. So in 5 kilometer of course,
Yeah.
you have so many obstacles, climb, crawl, jump, push, pull, everything.
Got it.
So that is something different. So after the first race in India only, there was a local race Devil Circuit, right? So after some time, yeah. So this was like
You started with Devil Circuit.
with Devil Circuit, right? This was a local race in Delhi NCR only.
Right. Okay. Wow. So basically, something that connected you to your childhood. And, it kind of takes me back to thinking that hunters and gatherers ऐसे ही होते थे.
Yeah.
We had to cross rivers, we had to climb trees.
Yes.
And I remember, so I used to also work out with Amit, and that time I was at my fittest. And we used to work out in parks, and you used to make me climb trees.
Right.
And वो memory कभी नहीं जाएगी मेरी, because I feel like it gives you the real feeling of strength.
Correct.
So
So natural training, right?
natural training.
Because nature is everything, right?
Yeah.
So when we training ourselves in the nature, we connect with the mud, we connect with the air, open, everything, with the space, natural sunlight. When you run in the Spartan race in the temperature of 25-30 degree in the afternoon, like 10 or 11 o'clock, then you get your actual test of your fitness, right?
That's actually true. Tell me, Amit, how important is mindset in training and in also winning a race? You have just come back from Thailand and you represented India and you won a gold medal for India. So congratulations
Thank
for
you
that.
so much. Thank you.
Now tell me that how important is having a positive right mindset in winning that race?
So winning a race is a different thing. First of all, you need to focus on your training, right? So most important thing is your training.
Right.
If you're training hard for your race, winning and losing is a part of game, right? Sometimes you experience good. There is no bad experience actually, right?
Right.
So if you're losing a race, it's a good experience. If you're winning, you did a sometimes luck, right?
Yeah.
So it's all about, you can say, discipline, right? Same time utna, same time sona, good habits, right? And
What a lot of us struggle with, to be honest.
so eating good nutrition,
Yeah.
right? Taking proper sleep, right? So it's a combination of everything. But first of all, it's like strong commitment. If you start, you can't go back, and you can't stop, right?
Mm.
Never give up. So
Exactly.
quitting is not an option.
Yeah.
And so if you ask me, there is no plan B. I always stick to the plan. This is the plan. So this is plan A only.
It's very
Right.
interesting that you say this because, like while working or while doing anything, I'm always thinking this is plan A, but there's plan B, C, and D. So, do you think that that's not a good way to go about things?
Or maybe in some other things it will work, but especially in my training, I don't take plan B. If I commit for my race, so there is a race in next 3 months.
Yeah.
I make my schedule, stick to the plan. That's it. Don't worry about the AQI. Don't worry about the temperature. ठंड है, बारिश हो रही है, धूप है, छाँव है, doesn't matter. Commit किया है तो करना है. Okay. If there is no training, there is no winning. Right.
Yeah.
So it's all hard work. Luck is 1%, 99 is your training.
Yeah. I mean, the harder you work, the luckier you get. That's
And,
what they say.
and the
right?
most important thing is in the plan A and B, if you have plan B in your mind, somehow when you in your plan A, right?
Yeah.
Back of the mind, when your mind is start giving up, you have plan B in your mind, back of the mind.
Yeah.
So you start giving up, right? So your body and your mind combination somewhere
That's very interesting.
don't connect each other.
Yeah.
So
So, in fact, I'm reading this book called The Art of War, and there was an example of this Chinese army general who took his troops. They reached an island, and he burnt all the ships and all the utensils. And he told his army that now you have no plan B. This is your plan A. You have to win this war. That's the only way you'll be able to go back. That's the only way you'll be able to get food.
Yes.
So they literally had no other way but to win that war.
definitely you have to survive. For example, if you are not able to run, just jog. If you're not able to jog, walk. If you're not able to walk, just stand. If you're not even able to stand, just crawl. But do it.
But do it.
Yeah.
Just do it. Just show up.
Yes, show up.
Show up. What if
Right.
someone's sick?
See, sick, definitely rest is a very important part of training. And if you don't feel like doing something, see, there is a difference in the feel like doing, and there is your health is, your body is not supporting you, right? So definitely just recover your body, get ready for the training, and then start your. So it's not like you just torturing yourself,
Yeah.
right? You should enjoy your journey, whether it's a race or training and everything.
That I want to go back to commitment for a minute because a lot of us end up faltering or breaking our commitments. How do you build up the commitment?
I register for a race. I have a plan for my training, my program, my schedule, right? And sometime I also feel that I'm not motivated to do this training because any reason, because of work or because of overtraining
Yeah.
sometimes, and because of weather as well, some outdoor, indoor, any kind of things. That time we also need. So I just do meditation. So there is a special meditation like we call Sudarshan Kriya,
Right?
introduced by Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar ji. So I'm practicing since 12 years, you can say more than 12 years.
Yeah.
And that really helped me to keep my mind very strong,
Mhm.
right? Sometimes my mind is not giving me that push. So I just gather myself, get my energy back, start again.
So there's a saying in Buddhism that you master your mind rather than let your mind master you.
Yes.
And meditation has
Yes.
helped you in that.
A lot. Sometimes your energy, we call this prana.
Yeah.
So just always keep your energy high, right? And that's come from pranayama and doing the good meditation.
So this is also an advice that a coach gave me that, just keep your spiritual energy high.
Yeah.
If you keep your prana, it's like either prana, spiritual energy. If you keep that high, then nothing feels like a challenge.
Yes. Because keeping your energy high is when you feel your energy low, you don't feel like doing anything. So
Yeah.
always just do a simple, I use this Bhastrika pranayama, right?
Yeah.
And you just energize yourself and you get the energy back and then focus on your thing.
In today's day and age, there's a lot of mental health issues as well. And mental health issues are connected to physical health and vice versa. So if you were to give advice to somebody to actually increase their energy. What's like a simplest thing that you could tell somebody to do every day that would help increase their energy?
First, just complete your sleep.
Complete your sleep.
Yes.
Okay, so sleep.
So always put the alarm for sleep, not for the wake up.
Oh, wow.
So if you put the alarm for the sleep,
That's an interesting one. Alarm for sleep, not for wake up.
yeah. If
Okay.
you sleep on time, automatically your sleep is complete, and if you wake up automatically, there is no requirement of any alarm,
Interesting. Yeah.
right? Second thing, just 5 minutes of meditate. Yes. First thing,
It's the best time to meditate.
anytime. The best thing you can do, just wake up and just start your day with the meditation only. But if you're not a morning person or doing meditation in the morning, there is no specific time. Anytime you can do, just 5 minutes before sleep or after wake up, in between the.
And what's the simplest way to meditate? Because that's also a question that people have. That I meditate kaise karu?
See, everybody has their mentor, their master, their guru,
Mm.
right? Or if you believe in that spiritual power, right? That universe power, you can sit in front of them. You can, or not even sit in front of them. You just remember them, right? Close your eyes, sit with the leg cross, palm facing up, and just take long deep breath and let go. So it's all just focusing on your breath.
I'm feeling that vibe right now. Just
Yeah.
opening up your palm.
You see the goosebumps.
Yeah.
It's a feel of my master, my Gurudev, right? He always tell me this: let go all the worries, right? And inhale all the things very positive.
So like let go completely, surrender and just breathe. So for 5 minutes,
Yeah, just
I think that 5 minutes of breathing, 5 minutes of just opening up your palms and surrendering to the universe, to your guru, to God, whoever you believe in, can actually transform your day. Amazing.
just 5 minutes of breathing. Now just focus on the breath only, nothing else. You don't need to. Of course, we have a human mind, so it goes around there. After some times, it will come back, and you just feel yourself. This is your body.
Yeah.
Just look inside you. So in the entire day, how many times we just look at ourselves inside? No,
We don't.
we don't. Yes. So that's the thing. We just need to.
How many times
focus.
should we look inside?
I mean, every time you feel low, I mean, every time you just feel that key. See, there is a tough time in the during the day, during your work, and during anywhere, right? In your personal things, in your official things. So, this one thing is very important. Just keep the energy high, and for that, just take long deep breath, simply, and you just feel this is the present moment, right?
Yeah.
So,
Wow.
living the present moment. So my Gurudev said ki living the present moment
Mm.
and accept the people and situation as they are. So there is no complaint.
Yeah, that's very interesting. So living in the present moment.
Yeah.
And surrendering to the universe. That makes you the OG in your space. So, you know what's interesting is that being an OG is not something very big. It's actually about mastering small things like dedication, commitment, just focusing on your plan B, focusing on your process, meditating, and surrendering. Coming back to OCR, you know, what exactly is OCR?
So OCR is basically obstacle course race.
Hmm.
Okay, this is the name of this game. So there is a Spartan brand, those who do OCR races. So OCR is a military form of racing, right? Military style obstacles. So you have 5 kilometer of course in the mountains, in the forest, or in the plain surface, anywhere it can be. Along with 5 kilometers, you have to complete 20 obstacles like climbing the rock, crawling, jump over the wall. You have to carry some stuff, climb in the mountain, come back, monkey bar, so many obstacles. So this is exactly OCR, obstacle course race, running along with strength, flexibility, agility, endurance.
It seems like
obstacles.
an entire holistic form of
Yes, it's a natural lifestyle base. Basically, Spartan purpose is this: just train yourself for the natural lifestyle. Okay,
Yeah.
that will help you in your daily routine life.
right.
Right? You heavy good stuff. You just do the grocery shopping and you're doing the farmer carry walk.
Right.
So
Right.
they are used to do, but now we are not doing.
Yeah.
So that's help you to do in your lifestyle.
Got it. So, what's your advice to somebody who wants to start doing this?
Start doing for the Spartan training.
Yeah.
It's very simple. You don't need to do any intense training. Just simply 4-5 exercise will help you doing the squat, doing the push-ups, and doing my favorite burpees.
Yeah.
And doing a good plank.
We'll make you do burpees right now.
Yes.
We can do burpees together.
Yes. Okay. Let's do it.
And the
Jump.
let's your t-shirt on the floor. Up.
Good.
You can start.
Okay. So for the burpees, you don't need keep your feet wide, hands on the floor, jump back, let your t-shirt on the floor, jump wide, clap behind your head, and you can do the speed going down, up, and up. So doing 30 burpees daily keeps you fit.
I remember you told me this, and I still remember this, that, Danika, if you can't do anything else, just do 50 burpees.
50 burpees, 30 burpees.
Yeah.
You just choose your number.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love 30 numbers because, in Spartan race, if you miss the obstacle, you have to do 30 burpees as a penalty.
Okay.
So 30 is my favorite number. So you just do 30 squats, 30 push-ups, at least 30 seconds hold, plank
Yeah.
hold, and just complete your 30 burpees.
Nice. What are some of your other fun obstacles or workouts to do? If you just show us something fun.
Yes, we can do like bear crawl, like doing this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bear crawl. Or you can do the military training, like this one.
What's interesting is that this kind of a workout, you don't really need to take time out for.
Yes.
You can literally find time in the day while you're doing whatever and just start bear crawling.
Yes. You can do training with your kids. You can do
Yeah.
it with your friends, anywhere.
So literally, advice for people to start is like literally while you're playing with your friends, kids, whoever, or you're just at home hanging out, start a bear crawl, So that's pretty interesting.
Yeah, doing 30 burpees
30 burpees, yeah.
like an apple keeps your doctor away.
Yeah.
So this is
30 burpees keeps the doctor away.
right.
Does it also help in building up immunity?
Yes, of course. You increase your heart rate, you build up muscles strength, right? And you do the core strength basically, doing the plank, right? Doing the squat, that will help you. It's not only the lower body exercise, it's a full body exercise.
Right.
And you can do the push-ups, like performing good range of push-ups, right? So if you are 30 years of old and if you're not able to do at least 40 push-ups, you're not in a good fitness.
For men and women?
There is no gender difference, right?
Okay.
So it's according to the Spartan.
So
we are Spartans, so we don't categorize the male and female. There is nothing. Yes, of course, in some obstacles there is a lightweight and the heavyweight because of structure of women. So otherwise there is nothing. Monkey bar, you have to do the same thing.
Yeah.
Right? You have a spirit saw, you do the same thing. So anybody can do. It's not about the male or female, right? It's just developing your habits basically, how you live your life. So it's not, Spartans help you to live a good lifestyle, right? Taking a good nutrition, taking a good sound sleep, quality of sleep, good hydration, you can say, right? And training at least 1 hour a day is enough, more than enough, 1 hour, right? And it's about your screen time, you can say. So these days, like mobile is a new cigarette.
That's
right?
actually true.
Yeah.
And it's addictive.
Earlier, it was sitting was a cigarette.
Yeah.
Right. So, but now you have to walk. You have to act now. If you are not doing something for your health, आपकी health आपका support नहीं करेगी. So I believe I complete 40 years, right? So
Congratulations.
thank you. So, but for these 30s, I start working in my early 20s.
Got it.
If you want your 40s, start active in your 30s.
Right.
I want my 50s good, so I'm starting good things and good fitness take care of in my 40s.
That's
So
all.
you have to start early. right?
It's very interesting that you say that because we have a tenet in Nutty Gritties, which is that short-term wins for a long-term success.
Right.
You know, so like you said, in your 20s, you start working to have a healthier 40s. In your 30s, yeah, exactly, in your 30s. In your, the fitter you are in your 30s, the better you'll be in your 40s, in your 50s. So, you know, right now, like I'm in my 30s, and my fitness is going to actually enable me to live better in my 40s and 50s and 60s, right? And that's what the entire concept of longevity is,
Right.
right? So,
Right.
in longevity, you focus on being healthy today and doing the right things today so you can live a longer, healthier life. Not just a longer life, but a healthier and a fitter life.
It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. It's about habits,
Yeah.
right? You have to do boring things in your life. You have to do the same time sleep, same time wake up, same food,
Yeah.
same training, same things. That creates change in your life.
Got it.
So boring is new interesting thing.
On that note, should we go outside and do some exercises?
Yes,
Because
yes, of
Spartan
course.
is all about being outside and outdoors and getting the sun in.
Yes,
Let's
of course.
go outside.
Finally, I feel like I am doing something for Spartan because Spartan is not about indoor.
It's not about the gym. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, of course, strength is important. But I always feel like doing something in open space,
Right.
fresh air, under the sun.
Yeah.
Right.
In your Spartan journey.
So my Spartan journey start in like 2013, right,
Yeah.
in India. But after trying marathons, Ironman training, and completing all the endurance races, I was like hungry for something different, right? That so first time I got a chance to represent India in Hong Kong. That was my first Spartan race. So my best friend Ricky, he lives in that time he was in Hong Kong. So he told me about there's a race in the Spartan in Hong Kong and just come. So that was my first Spartan race, and we just compete first two Indians, first time Spartan race and top 10 ranking with
Wow.
all the international athletes. So we both qualify for the World Championship in 2017 in Canada, and after that it's going 18, 19, then 21 again. I went to Abu Dhabi to represent India as a in World Championship, and recently we both got a podium finish,
Wow.
and he also got the silver medal. So we both train together. We are not in the same place, but somehow we do the connecting with the same mindset people is very important. He's doing for the Spartan training. I am doing for the Spartan training. We make the schedule together. We race together. We compete together in the same category.
Right.
Sometimes he comes first. Sometimes I come first.
Right.
So we just push each other and just tell them this is your weakness. You have to work on this. So, like it's 12 years, and we are doing this journey with same passion, same fire.
Wow. So it really helps having an accountability partner.
Yes, at least one.
At least one.
At least one. So that can show you the real picture of yours.
And
It's not about always praising you, right?
right.
It's about showing you your things, right?
Right.
You are not good in this. You have to work on this.
Right.
So that is very important.
Interesting. So coming to that point, I'm sure challenges bhi honge. You know, what are the challenges that you've personally faced? What are the challenges in India?
Especially in training part, if you ask me, infrastructure is nothing. Okay, so we don't have the obstacle setup here. Okay, I built my own obstacle setup in my hometown. After in 2 weeks, I went there, do the rope climbing and doing my training under the 30-35 degree under the sun in afternoon 12 o'clock, just to train myself so I can perform in the main race in
Wow.
Asian countries like Thailand and Malaysia, humid weather and everything. So that one thing, infrastructure is not there. We are fighting with the air pollution. We are fighting with the good space for the runners.
Yeah.
Okay, you can't go anytime outside and start running. Traffic will not help you, right? So there is no specific park you can do a good run. So in this we are in the capital of India, in Delhi, and we have just 2 or 3 parks in the center of Delhi. So we need to work on that infra as a to get into this game. So and another than that, as a Indians, we have to face so many challenges. As a,
Genetics.
not genetics, we can say like passport, visa acceptance and rejections, just to compete with the European athletes and the US athletes, right? So my first obstacle start with the visa office, right? So there is no guarantee of getting the visa, and you just book the flight and just reach there.
Yeah.
So many things, but somehow it's a part of journey. I feel like my race start from here only.
Yeah. Of course. What you mentioned about challenges, right? Just basics, spaces to be able to work out, clean air, and access to basic infrastructure.
Yeah.
I wish that we would pay more attention to that, because what you mentioned, everything about training, commitment, focusing on the process, discipline, it helps in better mental health.
Yes.
It makes you a happier person. The happier you are, the more productive you are. The more productive you are, the more the economy will do better.
Yes, definitely.
The more you'll grow.
Right.
The more you'll grow, the more the country will grow. So I think that it all starts with fixing the basics.
Yes.
And what you shared is very, very important. And even being able to travel freely, that would help as well, because going through your entire visa process, having a fear that this might get rejected, that would also come in the way.
Because in India we have so many good athletes.
Yeah.
Believe me, अभी Spartan 24 में इंडिया में हुआ था. Just one event in Bangalore. Okay. Somehow I don't know continue क्यों नहीं हो पाया. But maybe अभी इंडिया Spartan के लिए ready नहीं है. They have different mindset. Okay. हमारे यहाँ पे it's very harsh, but to accept कि athletes को और कुछ specific sports ऐसे रह गए हैं जिनको बहुत हाईलाइट रखा जाता है, और बाकी जो स्पोर्ट्स हैं उनकी वजह से कुछ पीछे रह गए हैं, राइट? सो वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. आई डोंट वांट टू नेम दैट स्पोर्ट्स, बट दिस इज़ अ रियल फैक्ट चेक कि एथलीट्स को और बाकी स्पोर्ट्स को, एक स्पोर्ट्स को आप इतना प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, इतना मार्केटिंग हो रहा है, उनके प्लेयर्स को इतना बेनिफिट्स मिलता है, बट बाकी जो स्पोर्ट्स हैं उसकी वजह से इग्नोर हो रहे हैं. और दिस स्पोर्ट्स is like future in the world, you can say. This is not something any ordinary race. This is Spartan. This is obstacle race.
Correct.
This will help you in your mental health and your physical health.
Yeah.
That grow in your daily routine life.
Right.
That help you in your lifestyle.
So does India have a good opportunity for growth of Spartan?
Definitely. Indians athletes are very good in this game. You can say running. And they are genetically born for this obstacles course, right?
Yeah.
They can do without training. If you ask me, मैंने शायद पहली रेस से पहले इतनी ट्रेनिंग नहीं की थी. कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल्स ऐसी होती हैं कि मुझे रेस में ही जाके फेस करनी पड़ती हैं कि ये भी कोई ऑब्स्टिकल है, बट अटेम्प्ट किया हो गया. तो शायद हमने हमारी मिट्टी में या हमारे भारत में ये सब चीज़ें बहुत नेचुरली हमने ग्राउंड लेवल से देखा है, राइट? तो हमारे लिए शायद इतना टफ नहीं है.
Yeah.
और सोचिए कि जब हमें इंफ्रा मिल जाएगा तो हम कितने अच्छे लेवल पे कम्पीट कर सकते हैं.
What's the first thing in infrastructure that can be done to promote Spartan in India?
The most important thing is कि just to organize a race in India, right?
Okay.
So people get to know about this game,
Yeah.
right? Then start building the small obstacle setup. You can say जैसे हमारे अभी पार्क्स में आउटडोर जिम्स हो गए हैं, वैसे हम छोटे छोटे कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल सेटअप कर सकते हैं. रोप क्लाइंब, मंकी बार्स, swing, something like we can attempt our natural strength. And now this game is a part of Olympic, right?
Is it?
Yes. Now in 2028 it will be a part of Olympic in modern pentathlon. So my next target is to represent India in World Championship next year, right? And after that,
Wow.
we'll train for the
In the Olympics?
Yes.
So you will be representing India in the Olympics?
Let's see how
Wow.
India will take this game seriously, right?
No.
And-
We will take this game seriously. I think let's manifest that. There is no plan B.
Yeah.
There's only
Of
plan
course, of
A,
course.
which is India will take this game seriously, and Amit will represent India in the Olympics in
Yeah.
Spartan, and you will win as well.
So me and Ricky, right? We both are the first Indian athlete
Right.
in Spartan race.
Yeah.
And last 10 to 12 years, we are doing our best. There is no extra support. We are investing our time. We are investing our money. We are investing our sweat, everything. जब हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम कनाडा में गए थे, so there were 65 countries.
Yeah.
और हम दो एथलीट्स की वजह से जब वहाँ पे एक इंडियन फ्लैग था ना, तो देख के लगता है कि यस, दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट, राइट? कि हमारे आने से उन लोगों को वहाँ पे, सो इंडियन फ्लैग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट इवेंट. So this is something, they give the goosebump.
We're so
Yeah.
proud of you.
Yeah.
Thank you for representing India.
Thank you so much.
Honestly, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're actually taking the Indian flag global, taking the Indian flag to places where it wasn't there earlier.
Yeah.
And that's what means the most. I'm a big patriot, and I want to do the same with Nutty Gritties as well. I'd like Nutty Gritties to be in every retail store in the world,
Yes.
so that when people see it, they're like, this is an Indian brand. It makes India proud. And I'm sure you have that same spirit as well, right? Like, I want to make India proud.
Yes, this is you can. People ask me, what you get from these races? Okay, you are spending so much of time, so much of money. Must see, this is not about only me. I want it. Maybe in the next Olympic, or I will not get a chance to represent India. But I want the future athletes. They are good future. Okay, I can help them. I can introduce a good different game. जो अभी इंडिया में वो गेम है ही नहीं, तो उनको वो शायद मैं ट्रेनिंग कर पाऊंगा. Maybe I can share my experience with them. I can train them for this event.
Sure.
So my target, my goal is doing India in that level. So we
Absolutely.
can do good things for the future athletes.
Yeah, so that's a good note to close at. And manifesting that Amit is representing India at the Olympics. Amit is training a lot of young Indian athletes, taking India global with Spartan. And India is winning more in the Olympics. So thank you. Thank you so much, Amit.
Thank
And
Thank you.
cheers to be doing what you're doing right now.
Yes.
Thank you. And we have a little token to fuel your hunger. You want to throw it? Oh. We have a little token for you to fuel your hunger,
Oh wow.
which is our
Both mix.
sports mix.
Yeah.
And
Thank you so much. Thank you.
this should help you with the right nutrition.
Yes, definitely it will help me, because after doing 2 hours of intense workout, I felt so hungry. So I need something to just and just fill this hunger, right? So because Metavities helped me a lot during my training for this Spartan, it's the best nutrition I ever did, because you get something in your hand after your training, right? Nice, especially sports mix. You get all the protein and good hunger right, by the time you reach home and get your proper food. So this is from Spartan with the nitty-gritties.
Thank you, Honest. Thank you so much. That
This
is
is my orange Spartan Jesse. I want to give to you.
so nice. So that is so kind of you. I love it.
So, the Spartan jersey that made Amit win a gold and an honor medal. That is
This is
so kind. And, it's my commitment to you today, since we spoke so much about commitment. Like, we will continue to fuel your hunger with Nutty Gritties. And we will be your nutrition partners.
And thank you for this opportunity. And definitely, I want to invite you for the next Spartan race. So, being as a NDT captain, we can go on as a team India in the next Spartan
Let's do it.
this year. Thank you.
That's it.
that you can do.
Absolutely.
You can start using it now.
I will start my journey right away. We are in the gym, and I'm gonna go and hang on that bar, do a bear crawl,
And do 30 burpees.
and 30 burpees. Cheers to 30 burpees every day. Thank you, Amit.
Sticks. So all these things are not given by anyone. These are fun. And let me show you my real medals to you now. So this is first place medal in Spartan Thailand Championship, and this one is silver medal. I got these 2 medals this year.
and this is Spartan Medal trifecta to qualify the World Championship.
Fantastic. Great. And how many minutes do you have so far?
I done more than 50 races. So podium medals, I have more than 10-15 medals. And
60 degrees.
60, 70 well deserved. And I have one of your now.
Yes.
This is a reminder to stay committed.
Yes.
I'm going to keep this on my list.
and just you will definitely get the after the race you will get the finishing medal. Yeah. And t-shirt. So, but you have to earn that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. All the best, Steve.